Hello everyone. Now I practice pronunciation R, and O. First R, mom, color, battle, after, afternoon, arc, answer, bathroom, can, glass, done, fast, father, glass, tomato, bar, car, cart, fry, park, star, start. How far is car park? We went to a large bar for a film star. We are starting in half an hour. Second, mother, sudden, lucky, done. Bus, color, calm, cup, front, London, luck, Monday, month, mother, much, nothing, number, run, study, son, uncle, under. Good luck with your exam next month. Take the number 1 bus. I said, come on Monday, not come on Sunday. My brother studying in London. Heart, head, fry, for, cat, cup, look, luck, lock, battle. Third, or, more, short, bore, report, thought, forces, boring, daughter. The war story are boring. He was short to store, brought 4 more quarts. Morton cost report was short. Raw was the for forces. The roster is always calm in August. The odds to have brought the daughter. Last, problem, solving. It's my problem, not your problem. Stop solving my problem. Just solving your problem. Okay, no problem. Goodbye.